Hello there. My name's Hazel Roddam.
Hi, and I'm Jen Sutton, and today we just wanted to take 5 minutes of your time to talk to you about the work we've been doing as part of the CAP24 project this year, which is on behalf of CAHPR.
So, for those of you who might not have heard of CAHPR before, it's the Community for Allied Health Professions Research. It's a voluntary organisation on behalf of all 14 AHP disciplines UK-wide. So, CAHPR creates free to access resources, support, information, news about the AHP research environment and the research agenda for all of us. And that includes a network of hubs so that you can make connections at the local level as well. The CAP24 project that Jen referred to stands for the CAHPR Accelerator Project. And we were commissioned and funded to do this by NHS England over the last year. It's been hosted by the Royal College of Occupational Therapists, but it is explicitly to benefit all of CAHPR UK-wide. So we had specific direct deliverables that we were directed to work on, and that's what we're going to just talk to you about very quickly now. So Jen, looking back over the last year, what's one of your highlights been of working on the CAP24 project?
It's been such a fantastic project to be involved in. It's been absolutely brilliant. I would say one of my big highlights has been working with CAHPR to put additional resources onto their resource pages to support research and innovation. And I'd say in particular, the thing that we're most proud of is the creation of CAHPR's first AHP Research Funding Directory. So this is available on the CAHPR website, and it has over 90 different funding opportunities that AHPs can apply for as part of their research journey. The funding directory covers research funding from government bodies across the UK. It covers research funding from the professional bodies, and it also covers a lot of the additional funders of research as well, such as charities and trusts. The actual directory itself details the organisation that the funding is available from, the name and type of funding award. It details which AHP disciplines are eligible to apply and any further eligibility criteria. It also details the frequency of the funding call, and there's a web link there for you to access further information. So this feels like a really valuable resource that, yeah, really proud that it's on the website now and live and free for people to access. So that would be my highlight, I'd say. How about yourself, Hazel? What would you say one of your highlights has been for the CAP24 project?
Well, one of the pieces of work that we were asked to do, I knew was going to be really important for CAHPR, and we were asked to make a leadership map. So that's not just about people who are in research roles, it's about people in strategy, policy, management roles, including people with responsibility for research capacity building, for nationwide in different organisations and systems, obviously. These people, well, we mapped out the roles, not the individuals, because obviously people can change role, but we wanted to make this map with the assistance of the CAHPR hubs at the local level and consortia at regional levels to give CAHPR this list of where they could engage more effectively with these individuals who have a lot of insight and influence over the research environment for AHPs. So in addition to the map that we made, we were also asked to write an engagement plan, and that's what we did, making recommendations to CAHPR National Strategy Committee and down to the level of the regional hubs and local hubs on the ground to have more effective, efficient and timely bi-directional communication links so that we can all be informed, especially as the environment shifts and changes, and it will have impact on the systems and processes that we need to access to be able to do the research activities and roles. So those, yeah, that's what I'd like to talk about for what I think is really important that we've done.
Yeah, that's fantastic. So interesting, and it is going to be such a valuable resource for CAHPR again. So if you're interested in finding out some further information about some of the things we've talked about, it's all available on the CAHPR website. So the CAHPR website, if you access it, you'll find a wealth of research news, free resources, and lots of links to different support networks, both locally and nationally. So to access it, it's CAHPR.org.uk. So that's CAHPR.org.uk. And we really recommend that you go and check that out.
Yeah, and when you look at that, you'll see that we've uploaded a slide set specifically about the work streams that we've done in the CAHPR 24 project. So that gives more information on the slides, and also we've narrated a commentary over the slides. So you can play that with colleagues, and please do share it with colleagues so that you can talk together about what you can find that will be really valuable to you where you work. So yeah, please talk about CAHPR, because not everyone's heard of it. But thank you very much for listening. Thanks from me, and goodbye.
Thank you so much for your time. Goodbye.